Sampath Tushara. So I will cover three topics under this presentation. So first I will tell everybody started speaking about prompt engineering or how to give a good, efficient, creative prompt. I will share with you my personal experience and how I do that. Then I will try to introduce you a good practical AI agent. It's a agentic AI agent. So I'm planning to connect you into this forum. So you also can ask questions. I need this to be very interactive. I'm doing it live. So there may be some mistakes. Sometimes agent may behave beyond my instructions. So I'm sorry about that. But anyway, we'll do some practical session. Then I will introduce you to another one. It is Lutra. So for your day-to-day tasks, starting from tomorrow, you should be able to use this automation. So agentic AI to simplify and automate your tasks. So I will do that. And at the end, maybe I will try to introduce you another agent developed by Guardian so that you can get some hands-on experience. You can talk to that agent through WhatsApp and you can get some details. So it has a knowledge about some details about the courses and the product. So then you can try yourself. So that is the plan today. Before starting anything, I will just explain what is this agentic AI. So most of the people think that it is like a robot, but it is different to a robot. In our real world, in our physical world, we can see robots and they can perform some real world tasks, like maybe RoboArm can help us to manufacture shirts, something like that. But here it is digitally available, we log into a computer and after that we send emails, we book our calendar, we set up meetings and we speak to our customers, we listen to our customers feedback and we send emails to customers, we generate content for our public post, maybe chat gpt, sorry, maybe Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. We do a lot of tasks digitally, so those tasks can be automated, as my friend said earlier. So then these digital agent we can use. So this is a new era. So we all are talking about agentic AI and digital agents. So we will see how we can develop our own agents, but I will start with some of the available agents in the market so that you will understand how it is changing our day-to-day life. So to do anything, we need to get some skills with regards to how to write prompts. So it is totally different when you search something in Google, you type something in a different style. But when it comes to large language model or when you talk with ChatGPT, it is a different scenario. So I will try to explain it in these 9 areas. So when you write a prompt, as much as possible, you need to tell the large language model or the AI agent that who are you? So your domain, for example, if you don't mention that, and if you are going to ask some questions about cell, when it comes to cell, if it assume you are from different domains and it will give some answers, it will not say the large language model doesn't know what is cell, but it will give something, but the answer may be wrong. For example, if you are a lawyer, you may be referring to a cell place where you kept all prisoners. But if I'm a computer student, I may be referring to Excel, the cell. But if you're a doctor, you may be referring to the blood cells, right? So there are different meanings. So you need to specify the role and the domain that is very specifically required. And I need to highlight that. Then you need to clearly define the task, whether you need summary or you need a code or you need a critic, something like that, you need to specially mention. Then the contents also should be clearly identified. It should be identifiable by the large language model. The purpose and the audience you need to clearly mention, then it behave differently. Then encourage thinking, logically reasoning out your issue, or maybe ask it to think step by step. It gives more accurate details. Then weight pros and cons, like that you can tell how it should behave, how it should act. Then another thing, this is also very important. Encourage the large language model to ask questions back from you, clarifying questions you can tell, you can ask clarify questions. So then it will be more conversational and there are less errors, and the assumptions will be very minimal, so that you can get your most expected accurate result. And be specific. What should be the structure, like whether it should be in bullet point or whether it should be in tabular format, like that you can specify the output format. In addition to that, you can add some constraint, like you need to speak in simple English, or you need to give me some words, uh, maybe 300 words or 10 sentences, like that you can specify. In addition to that, you can give more examples as well. So if you cover these all areas, then you will get a good prompt. So here the art or the skills you need to improve is that prompt engineering skills. So this is what I wanted to highlight. So this is a one example prompt which I wrote for demonstration purpose. So as I explained, specify the role, uh, encourage to think and ask counter questions. You are an expert finance manager. Think step by step and provide 5 key risk management strategies for construction project. Like that, you can specify that. So now what I am going to do, I will take some practical examples and I will show you how do I do that in my day-to-day practice, because this may be a bit new to you probably. Sometimes you may know about this. If you have any questions, you can unmute the mic and you can ask me those questions. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to ask some sample from ChatGPT, but I use another tool. It is like this. You can search this tool also. This is also a good tool. Perplexity AI. This is also a very good tool. Even this support searching. Like early days, we search in internet, but now you can use this Perplexity and it connect with the internet as well, and it gives good result. So what I am going to do in as a practice, I'm not going to write all the prompt myself, but I will give the necessary instruction and I will ask this Perplexity to write the prompt on behalf of me. Then I will try to copy paste it into ChatGPT and I will get the answer. So what is the prompt I am going to ask now? Let's say today I'm going to ask a prompt. Let's say I will talk a little bit about coding side, but don't worry. I need you to think like kids. You don't know anything about coding. Maybe you started learning coding, but it may be very difficult. You gave up that. So as my friend said earlier, so this is changing every day. Now agents are there. I will try to get the support of agent and I will guide you how to get it done. As long as you know the business requirement, then you should be able to write any code. You should be able to get familiar with any new software. So that is what I am going to do. I am going to use a agent, so that agent will help me. That is perfectly okay, even if you don't know anything about coding. But I will try to get something like this. So uh, I need some synthetic data. Synthetic, or I can say artificial data. Data, I need, let's say, data, I need 10,000 sales records for my demo for financial expert. I need you to okay, I will tell what domain, like we are providing software solution in Canada. Example, I'm giving example as well. HR, finance, project management systems. I need you to write a prompt. Here, I'm not asking him to do anything, but I need to write a prompt from this Perplexity. So I'm going to try to get a prompt so that it will generate very nice prompt like this here. It write on behalf of me. So I will copy this prompt into ChatGPT and we'll try to run that. so that it gives some good detailed description about this prompt, so that I can run it, because I'm going to use two large language models to run this task. And then if it is required, I can tell I need the code here. I need a code. So you don't know anything about code, but I'm trying to show you without having any idea about the code and how to run the code. I'm trying to show you that it is very easy nowadays. With AI, we can do all these things. Okay. Now started writing these codes, even provinces, it identified in different ways. I don't understand this, but anyway, it's a good prompt, and it seems like this. So then I have a code in my ChatGPT. Then this is my first part. I wanted to show you that how to write the effective prompt. Like, no, you understand that we can get the code, but we don't know anything about how to run this code. Now, what I am going to do, my second part, I'm going to invite another agent who will help me to run this code, and who will tell me how to run this in a IDE or software development environment, and he will guide me to select a software development environment. And in addition to that, she will help me. Maybe if I get a little time, I will show you how we can use that tool to learn more about Power BI, how to create a Power BI account, etc. You can ask those questions. Even if you can ask how to generate a video, etc. That agent can look at my screen, and I am going to connect that agent into this live demo now, so that the agent will be able to like talk with me like human. So you also can ask questions. So that is the power of now current agentic AI. So I'm going to do that now. So this code I generated now, and then I will be asking some question from the agent. So how